Hello friends, welcome to another quick review and unboxing video. Today I will talk about the 1:72 scale British Aerospace Sea Harrier FA2 from Airfix. The model is from the year 2011. It's very price-worthy, includes lots of parts and comes with several building options. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. The box includes an instruction manual, markings and paintings manual, water slide decals, and 3 plastic sprues out of white plastic and 1 sprue from a clear plastic. The British manufacturer Airfix released the first Harrier model in 1969. For a long period of time, the model was reboxed and upgraded with various modifications of the GR Mark I and later GR Mark III aircraft. The moldings are quite nice and decent. It's not the best quality, but I have seen worse. The plastic is softer than I would expect it. It will be a problem to modify some parts. And the surface panel lines are too deep. On the other hand, the kit includes lots of options for a closed or open landing gear, adjustable thrust vector and jet nozzles, open canopy, and lots of varieties of weapons. Some parts like the wheel wells and landing gear legs are not that detailed. For a better look, modify them with some scratch build, but it's a new if you choose so. The clear plastic mold includes only a cockpit canopy. Some parts like the HUD or landing gear lights are missing. The instruction manual is very helpful. Each step is nicely illustrated and explained in detail. It contains many build variations and options. I like the option for weapons the most. The kit contains 2 30mm 18 cannons, air-to-air MRAM and Sidewinder missiles, and 2 anti-ship Sea Eagle missiles. Markings and paintings manual includes 3 camouflage schemes. You can build 1 machine from the aircraft carrier HMS Ark Royal and 2 machines from the Royal Navy Air Station placed in Yeovilton Air Base. A small drawback is that it doesn't contain any color converter. Only Humber colors are listed in the manual. Luckily, we can find a color converter on the internet. The water slide decal sheet looks great. It includes insignias and identification numbers, technical stencils, and also decals for the cockpit, air-to-air missiles, and fuel tanks. Okay, that's enough for this quick review. I think the kit is quite decent, and with a little bit of patience, it can be a very nice model. I'm looking forward to build it. Thank you for watching guys, stay in touch for my next videos, and see you next time. Bye!